inside SpaceX's new rocket factory. Elon Musk's determination to see humans make Mars their second home has made him manufacture some of the fantastic things in the world, and one of them is a new rocket factory. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Region. In today's video, we will be looking at the inside of the SpaceX new rocket factory. In his determination to ferry people towards establishing the environment for human invasion on Mars, Elon Musk began manufacturing a Starship rocket that will be used to carry people to Mars. However, SpaceX has some milestones to achieve before SpaceX could carry passengers to Mars. These milestones include expanding the carrying capacity to accommodate more people and more equipment needed for the mission's success. The general appearance of the SpaceX factory. The headquarters of SpaceX is in Hawthorne, California. This location is the leading manufacturing center for SpaceX. In addition, SpaceX operates a significant function in Redmond, Washington, where it carries out research. It also has a touch factory which is located in Texas. It is running 3 launch items, and the 4th site is still under construction. The region's offices of the company are found in Virginia, in Texas, and Washington. The development and testing of the first rocket took place in McGregor in Texas. Each of the SpaceX rocket engines is tested and carried out in rocket test stands at McGregor. At the same time, the testing of larger Starship's prototypes is carried out in the SpaceX South Texas launch site close to Brownsville, Texas. The design of the next rocket factory. Elon Musk recently revealed that SpaceX is building the biggest and most advanced rocket engine factory globally. This manufacturing is taking place in Central Texas to help the rising capacity of very heavy Starships. The factory at McGregor will be the second rocket production engine of the firm. In addition, the firm will work on developing 2 Raptor engines. The Tesla CEO said the new factory is established in McGregor because it is trying to avoid the problems encountered in the South Texas facility. According to the CEO, the challenges that accompany the operation at Starbase forced them to put up a production engine in McGregor. Meanwhile, SpaceX has already commanded a vast space in Texas, even under McGregor, where the company owns the testing facility. In this location, the company conducts research to manufacture thrusters and new rockets and test finished engines and their components. The workforce of the factory. The company leases 4,280 acres of land. The number of workers in the company is 500 in McGregor. The expenditure of the company goes up to $10 million for industrial works at the site. SpaceX Raptors are engines of full-flow staged combustion cycle rockets used to launch Starship vehicles. The new rocket factory will be the largest output rocket facility in the world. Each year, the factory will manufacture Raptor engines to surpass the various interplanetary Starship fleets and the Earthbound Super Heavy boosters sent to the Moon, stars, most significant, and beyond. On June 11th, the Tesla CEO revealed that some Raptor engines would be the largest globally. During the event, Tesla's CEO displayed 10 advanced Raptor engines found in the Boca Chica Starship. SpaceX installs 3 Raptor engines and the first functional Super Heavy boosters protein meant for the new factory. Later on, Elon Musk revealed that SpaceX had settled on a significant Super Heavy design aspect that determined that the operational Starship bosses would eventually be outfitted with about 33 identical Raptor engines. This means that in each of the 2-stage Starship vehicles, it would request almost 39 to 42 Raptor engines and 36 to 39 variants of sea level, in addition to 3 vacuum-optimized engines featuring larger nozzles. Elon Musk that the new rocket factory would be a place to break ground on a second Raptor factory. Therefore, the primary function of the factory will be the production of Raptor 2 volume production. What the new factory will do? The new factory will establish an advanced or upgraded Raptor 3 engines, increasing the maximum 3s to 230 tons. In addition, the side will cut off small structure components required for machine cabling on 20 booster Raptors. All the Starship engines, excluding 3 to 6 vacuum variants, will be similar. This factory will manufacture between 800 to 1,000 Raptor 2 engines yearly. In addition, the Raptor vacuums will continue being produced in Hawthorne, California. The Raptor 2, which will be manufactured in the new factory, will be similar to the Merlin engine with 2 sea-level and vacuum variants for over a decade. Additionally, the single significant volume of variants of Raptor 2 productions would be very efficient and can simply impact other big liquid engine production. Elon Musk is very confident about Raptor 2 production and the overall results. He believes that SpaceX will take humans to Mars, which is set to occur in 2026. Last December, Musk said that this was possible. 6 years from now, SpaceX plans to send a Starship rocket without a crew in 2 years. Musk also added that he wants to use this factory to help build a city on Mars, which will happen by 2050. He said that the engine would be needed for a fleet of rockets that would be used for a 10-year time that will take to develop the city on Mars and 20 years to the city SpaceX. Well, this is it for this video. Comment down to let us know what you think about the factory. I hope that you liked it. If you did, then make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the